An old Cherokee elder was teaching his grandson about life. They were sitting under a big oak tree as the sun set, casting golden hues over the village. The young boy, curious and eager to learn, asked his grandfather, "Grandfather, why do people sometimes make bad choices even when they know what's right?" The elder paused, a thoughtful look crossing his face. "My child," he began, "inside every person, there is a battle going on. It's a terrible fight between two wolves." The boy's eyes widened with curiosity. "Two wolves? What kind of battle, grandfather?" The elder nodded. "One wolf represents evil. It is anger, envy, greed, arrogance, self-pity, resentment, lies, and ego. The other wolf represents good. It is joy, peace, love, hope, humility, kindness, empathy, truth, and compassion. These two wolves fight constantly within each of us." The boy frowned, trying to grasp the depth of what his grandfather was saying. After a moment of silence, he asked, "Grandfather, which wolf wins the fight?" The elder smiled knowingly and placed a gentle hand on the boy's shoulder. "The one you feed, my son. The one you feed." The boy thought about this for days. He began observing his own emotions and actions. He noticed times when he felt angry or jealous, and he realized he was feeding the evil wolf. But he also saw moments when he felt kind and happy, moments when he helped others without expecting anything in return, and he knew he was feeding the good wolf. One day, the boy returned to his grandfather and asked, "Grandfather, what if I feel like both wolves are equally strong? What should I do then?" The elder's eyes sparkled with wisdom. "My child, the battle between the wolves never ends. But the key is awareness. When you recognize the evil wolf is growing stronger, stop and redirect your energy. Feed the good wolf with acts of kindness, gratitude, and love. Over time, the good wolf will grow so strong that the evil wolf will become weaker, unable to take over your spirit." The boy nodded, understanding now that the choices he made every day shaped the outcome of the battle. He carried this lesson into his life, growing into a wise and compassionate man who inspired others to feed their good wolves. Moral of the story: the story of the two wolves reminds us that our actions, thoughts, and feelings determine the kind of person we become. Life may present challenges and temptations, but we always have the power to choose. By feeding our good wolf, through kindness, honesty, and love, we not only transform ourselves but also inspire those around us to do the same. Remember, every choice you make, big or small, adds strength to the wolf you choose to feed. Make your choice wisely.